Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Steam Guard in Steam. So first, open your Steam, and here in the top right corner, go to your account. In your Manage Account settings, here you will see Account Details. Just click on that, and it will take you to this page where you need to go to Account Security. So here you'll see Manage Steam Guard. Go ahead and click on that option. It will give you several options where you can manage your Steam Guard or enable your Steam Guard. You can get Steam Guard's codes from Steam app on your phone, or you can also get Steam Guard codes by email. So how you can enable your Steam Guard is with these two methods. So I recommend you to do the second one where the email is involved. It doesn't consume much time and it's easy as well. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.